Okay, so we're going to move on to 1.2. So you should have read in your textbook or read online, taken some notes. My grammar fold out is extra large so that you can see it. It does not have to be this large. Some of my students had the best notes that wish I had their great handwriting and creativity. Anyway, it's just important that you actually do some handwritten notes because it's a process that helps you with long-term memory. So, you can make it as fun and decorative as you like. And I'm not trying to make it, like kindergarten, but it is a helpful tool in learning, and you can have it right there when you're doing your workbook lab manual. Anyway, we're going to talk about gender and number of nouns. So gender, our English language comes from the German base. It's Germanic, and Spanish is a Romance language. Not that it's romantic, but it is. It comes from the Romans, from Latin. So you have all these Romance languages: French, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Romanian, and Portuguese. And then in these languages, they clarify. They have all their nouns, objects, people, places, things, ideas, whatnot, will either be a feminine and they'll end usually in an A, or they'll be masculine and they'll end in an O. It doesn't mean that they have anything to do with women, although women, there will be feminine adjectives that describe women. But the nouns are going to be, typically, there are going to be exceptions to every rule. So it's going to be él is the. You just saw él as he. That's with an accent. He has an accent. So accents makes the difference of a word meaning. So el amigo, the friend, boy. La amiga, we smush it together. La amiga, the friend, girl, not novia. La novia is girl, girlfriend, boyfriend. Sombrero. Where'd my B go? That's funny. Sombrero. That is hat. Sombrero. I'm going to add my B back. Sombrero. Can you see that now? Sombrero. The hat. So hats can be worn on women. It can be worn on men. It doesn't matter. It's just where the word came from originally is how it was determined what gender to give it. Sombrero. El suéter. It doesn't end in an O or an A, so we have to memorize some of those. El suéter. Un suéter. One sweater. La camisa. The shirt. La blusa. The blouse. Typically women just wear blouses, but anybody could wear a blouse, and it happens to be feminine. La blusa. Some words we have to remember. La pared. La pared. Here's an exception. El día. So you'll see patterns. The high frequency words that we use that are irregular, they'll come to you. You say buenos días. Good day. Plural nouns, you add an S. You saw S's on verbs. That did not make them plural necessarily. Tú eres, that's not plural. Nosotros somos, that's plural. But anyway, el goes to los, meaning the plural, and then it's los amigos. Los amigos, you add an S to the noun. Las amigas, all the friends, the girls. Los amigos could be a million girls and one guy, and it's going to be los amigos. El suéter, los suéteres. El lápiz, los lápices, los lápices. When you see an accent, raise your hand. Raise your hand to remember where the accent is. And there's a little spelling change. Oh, so many little concepts to already remember, but they will come with time, I promise you. Keep working on your flashcards, and all these concepts will come together. Just take some notes, use it for reference, and you'll see it in context.